Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. In this video guys, I'm going to do some dollar challenges, and if that interests you guys, hopefully you will stay until the end. So guys, let's go ahead and get started. Hi bestie, welcome to my channel. So glad you decided to join me today. Today I'm going to do several of my home savings challenges right here in my Striped Minimalist Blackout Savings Challenge book. And the challenges that I'm currently working on in this savings challenge book is all going to my home sinking funds. So if that interests you guys, hopefully you decide to stay until the end. And if you're new to my page, welcome. I do plan with me videos, budget with me, saving challenges, unboxing of Happy Mail that I receive, and give you a few tips on how to save on gas. Okay, so for the $1 challenge today, I'm cash stuffing $5. And these saving challenge books that you see I'm using with the black paper and the budget planner, they're all available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave that information in the description if you're interested. So for 2025, I decided to go blackout planning. I do have a blackout planner that I utilize as well. And eventually, if you are a planner girl, eventually I will do those plan with me on YouTube as well. Okay, so for the $5 challenge today, I'm going to cash stuff $10. And like I said, the money that I'm saving right now with the challenges that I'm doing is going to home. I have several home repairs that I need to work on this year, guys. And so I definitely want to build up this sinking fund. I need to get some plumbing repairs. I need to get a floor done. I think I need to get something done with my gutter, because last year when the tree fell on my house, I mean, it didn't look like there was any damage done, but I think there's some damage to my gutter, because when it rains, the way it drips into that window, so I need to get that done. So the next challenge that I'm going to do, my home repair challenge. So right now I'm just saving $1 with this particular challenge. So I made the book so there are challenges in here, but you can set the amount based on your financial status or what you're able to do at the moment. So it's very perfect for low income. It doesn't matter what your income that you can do these challenges. So for the home challenge, I'm cash stuffing $5 today. And what I learned in 2024, when you do small challenges, it tends to add up quick. You would think, it would take forever, but just doing a lot of challenges that I did last year, a lot of freebies that I received, it adds up quick, guys, surprisingly. So for my 10 envelope challenge, I am cash stuffing just $10 today. And like you see with this challenge here, that you set your own amount that you want to save. So if you want to do $100 per icon, you can do that as well. But right now, I'm doing low amounts that I can do at the moment. And my goal is I have some investments that's maturing this year, and I'm going to use that towards repairs as well. That's my goal. That could be my goal, but life happens. But that's what my intentions are. And prayerfully everything goes well this year, for 2025. Okay, so I have set aside, I made an envelope within my sinking funds binder that I will place the money in. but I do try to update my budget planner as I go, cause I don't forget, so I won't forget. But I do have my cheat sheets now that I print out when I'm doing my cash stuffing, and I try to mark that. That does help me as well. When I'm doing my challenges, because I do maintain this on a spreadsheet as well. And some are like, well, that's just too much. You're writing in the planner, you have it on a spreadsheet. Well, I'm a paper planner girl, not digital with that yet. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna ever go to. Well, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do digital planning. I haven't even looked into it, but I know a lot of planner girls use the digital, even with their budget. Surprisingly, I don't do it, but I don't mind doing it the paper way. So this is my sinking funds binder right here, and I'm gonna add this to this pouch. What I saved today towards home. So today, I saved $30 um towards home. Okay, so now I have $112 in my sinking funds pouch, but I'm gonna count it up to make sure. So bear with me as I count this up, guys. Okay, so let's double check to make sure it reconciles back to the 112. Okay, guys, it reconciles back. So glad about that. So I need to take the insurance money out of my sinking funds to pay on insurance this week. And let's see how much I've saved. So I'm gonna update this tracker here, notating that I'm taking it out of the sinking funds. So definitely I have to get back to my insurance savings challenge so I can add more money to my insurance sinking funds pouch since I'm taking all of this out. Okay, so that's done there. So my sinking funds binder reconciles, and I have to remember to update my spreadsheet as well. And guys, that's basically it for this video with the cash stuffing that I did, and then moving this from my sinking funds so I can pay the insurance that's due. And that's basically it, guys. And I just want to thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule, guys, to join me as I do my cash stuffing for the week. I will be uploading another cash stuffing video because I do have to do the 50 envelope, the black box 100 envelope challenge. Um, I'm doing the scratch off challenge this week as well, the tax challenge, and the vision board challenge. So if you're interested in any of those challenges that I've planned and budgeted to do this week, guys, make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload another video. Okay, so hopefully you have a great day, guys, and an awesome rest of your week. Please turn on your notification bell. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys, and I have to leave you with this. Remember to invest in your future and track your savings. Okay, guys, toodles.